In this video, you're going to see how to leverage technology that not only creates 100% unique AI tools, but white labels them and markets them for you. That's right, lots of new marketers are generating significant sales using no-code editing to build first ever custom AI SaaS box businesses with unique tools, branding, and custom AI marketing 3-in-1. Plus tapping into several done-for-you AI white label businesses already set up and ready to white label and resell in hot niches, complete with marketing materials already done and ready to edit. You'll see how to first build a customized AI tool for your own specific need or an agency client's need, tap into tons of done-for-you app templates if needed to customize in niches like marketing, sales, lead generation, small business, or create an AI app from scratch using the no-code drag-and-drop tool builder. This is no-code friendly, so anyone can use it. You can even ask AI just to build your AI tool if you want. Then finish it off by adding your own branding and white label the app if desired under your own domain. Host your AI app with a link or embed it anywhere. Add payment gateways for subscriptions using Stripe that will require users to pay you to use the app, or opt-in forms to capture leads, ditching boring lead forms that don't convert anymore for AI SaaS lead magnets that build your list. Then let AI white label start marketing your custom AI tool and getting sales for you. Leverage AI page builders to build lead pages and thank you pages. An AI video maker that creates AI videos with engaging scripts, human realistic voiceovers, and more for multiple social channels. AI copywriters, article writers, AI creative image generation, and more, all tailored to your unique AI SaaS creation so it will convert. Okay, so to get started, let's log into the cloud-based app and click Create Custom AI Tool to build a unique AI tool from scratch. Or if you don't have any ideas yet, you can go back and navigate to Explore AI Tools and explore hundreds of AI custom tool templates you can use and edit yourself in any niche if you need ideas. You can sort by categories like marketing, where there's tools like email subject line makers, AI newsletter generators, Instagram engagement rate calculators. AI tools to sell to small businesses like nutrition trackers or workout plan generators. Entertainment tools like horoscope makers and personality changers, and so much more. For this example, let's just pick something easy like horoscope maker. Okay, let's give it a name and description, upload a logo if desired, then it will load the no-code builder to help us customize the app. First, you'll see in the middle the titles, fields, and elements the user will need to enter to make the app work for them. For example, at the top here we have the title. Then we can easily edit this title, maybe give it a different name. We can drag and drop layout elements on the right here to build our tool. For instance, we can add more headlines or add an element asking for the user to enter their email address so we can capture their email before they're allowed to use the tool. There's tons of options like PDFs, numbers, sites to crawl, and more to build any app we want for almost any function. The data the user enters into each field, for example, date of birth, will then be given to the AI engine on the left to generate a result. In this case, a horoscope based on the user's date of birth and time of the month. You can see this updated in the AI prompt part here. You can change the prompt by just editing the text like this. You can also edit each variable by just going over here and editing them. You can give an overriding command, such as you're an astrology expert if desired here, and then choose the output type such as text, HTML, code, and image. The provider such as OpenAI, the AI engine, and then click to test the prompt to make sure our app is working. You'll see the result above, which is in this case a detailed horoscope for the user shown above. Feel free to play around until you get a great result. Now if this seems like too much work and you're not sure about the type of tool you want to even build, simply click here and have the AI just build the entire thing for you. Enter what you want it to build and it will create everything from the headlines to the inputs, the promotions, and more. Okay, now it's time to edit the appearance of the tool. To begin, customize the text if desired, the colors, you can add your own custom branding and more. Edit the CSS to change the layout of the tool from a form to something else you desire. Then add integrations. Now for example, you can choose to integrate your Stripe account to collect payments when someone tries to use your AI white label tool. Build tons of AI tools with small payments that add up to huge monthly fees. You can connect emails like lead generation gurus do by requiring the user to enter their email to be able to get the free result. Choose to send a personalized email too that delivers the user's result, complete with shortcodes and the option to link to more offers you sell. Plus, take advantage of full white label branding by connecting your own domain so no one knows the tools associated with AI white labels if desired. Finally, embed your AI tool anywhere online. This works for desktop and mobile with any page creator, or simply share a link to your AI tool or AI software lead magnet. At any time, you can see all your AI tools you've created and edit them at any time under the My Tools tab and organize multiple agencies and clients using the Agency tab to make sure every AI tool you make is organized per client with the correct Stripe, autoresponder, AI keys, and more. Okay, awesome. Now remember, AI White Labels is more than an AI tool builder. This is an entire AI business builder that also markets the tool with custom marketing. So to get started getting leads and sales for your new AI SaaS creation, navigate to marketing and choose how you want to start getting those sales. Now you can create AI images and posts, make AI videos for social media, build AI lead magnets and thank you pages, write in-depth AI sales copy better than ChatGPT, and so much more. For example, to create an AI video, simply hit Create New Video and enter a video name and choose the app you want to market. Now, AI White Labels will use proprietary custom knowledge tech to craft the video around the app you want to sell without having to come up with complicated marketing yourself or even a prompt. Choose the style of the video and then hit Create. Choose to have the video created with AI images, stock clips, realistic human voiceovers, and more. Then you'll be taken to the drag and drop editor where you can customize the script if needed. Customize each part of the video. Add text, transitions, talking AI heads, audio, and more to build awesome videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. Use the AI Image Maker to enter a keyword and build stunning scroll-stopping images with AI. You can edit using layers, emojis, icons, text, and more for social posts. You can use the Page Builder to build lead pages and sales pages that sell your AI creation with AI copy specifically for the tool you created. Again, enter a campaign name, choose your tool, pick from done-for-you page templates, and then edit your sales page with the drag-and-drop cloud editor, customizing every aspect of it. Need AI sales copy written? Use the AI Copy Creator to create AI copy better than 10K professionals that makes VSLs and sales page copy for you using step-by-step methods that craft each aspect of a sales page, like the headline, sub-headline, benefits, so it reads better than just pasting a prompt into ChatGPT. Now, if that all sounds too hard, which I really hope it doesn't, you can guarantee you make sales by tapping into multiple AI SaaS businesses we already created and set up for you to resell. You're going to get Site Hero AI White Label. This is a gorgeous lead page and website builder with a sleek drag and drop builder and tons of done-for-you templates to sell. You also get Copy Hero AI White Label business. Copy Hero's unique AI writes amazing sales pages in seconds, way better than ChatGPT, saving you or your clients weeks or thousands of dollars on freelancers. You also get Content Hero AI White Label business, and this creates viral AI social videos and AI images to promote any product complete with human realistic voiceovers if needed. Now, these products come with full white label ability, including domain, done-for-you sales materials, pages you can edit on your own, full client access, and everything needed to get sales immediately with these proven red-hot AI niches. Okay, so there's far more to AI white labels, but I think you're starting to get the picture. Never before has there been a marketing tool this powerful that can not only create unique AI SaaS solutions tailored to solve specific problems you or your client's business is having, but white labels it and then gets the leads and sales for you with custom AI marketing. The future of marketing is customized AI solutions, not one-size-fits-all marketing of the past. AI White Labels is the ultimate tool and most innovative solution today that lets you leverage this and gives you a massive advantage no matter what niche or industry you're in.